Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt pudding at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of plain, full-fat yogurt for the best creamy texture. Next, select your favorite sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Finally, we'll use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or 1 teaspoon of gelatin to achieve that perfect pudding consistency. These few items are all you need to begin this delicious journey. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the 2 cups of yogurt, your chosen sweetener, and the thickener. Make sure there are no lumps, especially if you are using cornstarch. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. This gentle heating process helps the thickener activate without curdling the yogurt, ensuring a smooth and luscious pudding. As you continue to stir, you'll notice the mixture gradually thickening. It should reach a consistency where it coats the back of a spoon nicely, not too thin, not too thick. This usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes from when it starts warming. Once it reaches this point, remove it from the heat immediately. Let it cool for about 15 minutes at room temperature before transferring it into your desired serving dishes. This step is vital for setting. Once your pudding is in its serving dishes, cover each one with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Then, place them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours. This chilling time is essential for the pudding to fully set and develop its rich flavor. When ready to serve, feel free to add your favorite toppings, like fresh berries or a sprinkle of granola. Enjoy your homemade, creamy yogurt pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.